Continue. Point number 7. Use of a so now we finish with liquids. Okay, so we're talking about again with the cold liquids. Hot liquids is a different story, as we spoke before. Now, last point number 7. Use Parve utensil with cold meat or dairy. So Parve utensils, and you use it for cold meat or dairy. Although halachically one may use Parve utensil for cold solid meat or dairy food, many are scrupulous and refrain from a place from the practice. From this practice, since it may lead to confusion and error. So even technically, if you put a cold piece of meat onto your Parve plate, nothing is going to happen, or a cold piece of cheese, right, or cottage cheese or something. Nothing is going to happen technically, but still we try to be scrupulous and don't do it. Okay.